Hello everyone, my name is Florencis Milagracia, and this is my poem about numbers and nature. Numbers and patterns is everywhere you can find and see. Unable to understand where these things are important in studying. Mathematics might not be easy, but even in small things that we thought mathematics doesn't exist, ranting about numbers and computations we always insist. Solving numerous equations, operations, functions it consists. I can't imagine life without these numbers. Not that it will always be present and will it be out of our sight. Nurturing our mind to provide answers and make our solutions right, and help us analyze problems, calculate, measure, and write. This is the art of numbers and the core of every human mind. Uncertainty and fears will only weaken our drive and eagerness to learn. Remember to remain focused because acquiring knowledge is hard. Everyone has potential and hard work is the key to success. That is my poem about numbers and nature. Thank you and goodbye.